अच्छा, ये मैं बता दूं, इस एमसीक्यू कर लेंगे तो पूरा जॉब वर्क रिवाइज हो जाएगा। हमने एक एक लाइन का एमसीक्यू बनाया हुआ है, जो हमारा समझ लीजिए ट्रेडमार्क है और आदत भी है। एक बार करते हैं। एग्जामिन द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स। ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ प्रोसेस अप्लाई टू अनदर पर्सन्स गुड्स इज ए जॉब वर्क, ट्रू और फॉल्स? ट्रू। जिनेश जी फॉल्स बोल दिए, फिर फॉल्स, फिर ट्रू बोल दिया। अच्छा देखिए, अगर लीगल एनालिसिस करें तो जॉब वर्क में लिखा हुआ है ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ प्रोसेस अप्लाई टू अनदर पर्सन गुड्स इज ए जॉब वर्क, और दिस अनदर पर्सन शुड बी अ रजिस्टर्ड पर्सन। करेक्ट है, और ऐसा कुछ लिखा हुआ नहीं है, तो इसको मैं फॉल्स बोल दूं, और इसको मैं यहां पर अनरजिस्टर्ड लिख दूंगा, ताकि क्लैरिटी आए कि एजम्पशन का जरूरत ना पड़े कम से कम एमसीक्यू में। तो ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ प्रोसेस अप्लाई टू अनदर पर्सन goods who is unregistered is a job work. It is false. Treatment of process applied to another person's goods is a supply of service. True. A registered person sends its machinery for repair. It is a job work as per section 2 subsection 68. False. A registered person sends molds for manufacturing of a product A belonging to a principal is a job work. True. यहां पर हम लोग रजिस्टर्ड प्रिंसिपल लिख देंगे, तो फॉल्स ट्रू आंसर ये आ जाएगा। Every treatment of process applied to another person's good is a supply of service, but may or may not be a job work. True. Every testing of goods, repair of goods, assembly of goods, or cleaning of goods, etc., can be treated as job work between registered principal and job work only if there exists a contract of job work. True. Both true. C is the answer. What happens if a transaction is treated as job work as per section 2 subsection 68 and registered person sends goods to another registered person for any treatment of process? It shall issue tax invoice for movement of goods, it shall issue delivery challan, it shall follow job work procedure, या either A or B. ऑप्शन कौन सा ऑप्शन? सी। Job work procedure requires registered principal to issue job work challan for sending goods, intimate in ITC 04 for all details of job work, to keep proper accounts for the inputs of capital goods, either A or B. In fact, all of the above आएगा, तो D will be the answer. A registered principal sends inputs to job work on 5th May, which was received by job worker on 8th May. The input should come back or it is being supplied from the place of business of job work on payment of tax within India by, बताइए। ये आंसर आएगा, क्योंकि इनपुट्स है, 1 साल लेना है तो ये आ जाएगा। और इसमें तो हम लोग 3 साल का भी पीरियड डालना चाहिए, क्योंकि कुछ स्टूडेंट्स हैं इनपुट्स को पढ़ ही नहीं पाएंगे, है ना, तो 3 साल का भी पीरियड डाल देंगे। A registered principal sends machinery to job worker on 5th June, which were received by job worker on 21st June. The machinery should come back or this India by. बी आंसर आएगा, और इसके जगह हम लोग 1-1 साल का पीरियड भी डाल देंगे। Registered principal sends tools to job work on this date, which were received by job work on this date. यहाँ tools आएगा, यहाँ tools लिखेंगे, tools should come back or is being this बताइए. Need not come back. Tools है ना, molds, discs. Period of 1 year shall be counted from the date of receipt of inputs by the job worker where the inputs are sent directly to a job worker. True or false? True. और प्रिंसिपल भेजता है तब जब प्रिंसिपल ने भेजा, जब किसी और के कोई और भेजता है जब जॉब वर्कर को मिला. Where inputs are sent by registered principal to job worker, the period of 1 year shall be counted from the date of being sent out. ये भी ट्रू होगा. बोथ ट्रू. The period of 1 year can be extended by further period of 1 year by the commissioner. The period of 3 years can be extended by further period of 3 years by the commissioner. False. Here 2 years. So true, false. This will be the answer. The declaration of place of business or job work as additional place of business of principal is mandatory. False. Mandatory नहीं है. करना चाहे तो करे. Bringing back waste and scrap from the job worker's place of business to principal place of business is mandatory. False. वो यहां से भी बेच सकता है, तो both false. In case of inputs, if period of 1 year is not completed, in case of inputs, if period of 1 year is not complied with, then it shall be deemed that such inputs had been supplied by the principal to the job worker on the day when the said inputs were sent out. True. Value of supply, rate of tax, place of etc. shall be same as was mentioned in job work challan. True. Both true. Examine the following statement where principal is registered in Gujarat and place of business of job worker is in Maharashtra. Principal sends goods for blasting. Duration of process is 5 days. Value of goods is 1,50,000 inclusive of GST. E-way bill is compulsory. True. Principal can declare job worker's place as additional place of business without getting itself registered in Maharashtra. False. और इसकी वैल्यू 150 नहीं करूंगा, इसकी वैल्यू करूंगा 20,000. तभी तो पता लगेगा कंपलसरी है या नहीं इंटर स्टेट सप्लाई. Examine the following statements. Principal can take ITC if it sends inputs directly to job worker without being first brought to his place of business. Principal is mandatorily required to issue job work challan even if goods are being sent directly to a job worker. True. ये तो वापस कैसे आएगा? Principal can take ITC if it sends input directly to a job worker without being first. हो ही गया. Generation of one job work challan is required for sending entire goods from principal to job worker or to another job worker by a job worker or sending it back to principal simply by endorsing it. एक job work challan से चलता रहेगा सारा काम. The last date of provided entire goods. The last date of filing ITO 04 is, as per Rule 45, is 25th day of month succeeding the quarter. True. While computing aggregate turnover of a job worker, it shall include value of material used by job worker and labor charges on treatment of process being done on the inputs of principal. True. Aggregate turnover shall also include amortization expenses of capital goods sent by principal. False होगा. False. ये तभी इंक्लूड होता है जब जॉब वर्कर को खर्चा करना चाहिए था, प्रिंसिपल ने किया. तो जनरली ऐसा होता नहीं है. both principal and job worker is located in state A and recipient in state B, place of supply is interstate supply. ये नहीं लिखना चाहिए, nature of supply is interstate supply. True or false? True. क्योंकि principal is located, location of supplier is in state A, place of supply is state B, तो inter. Principal is located in state A and job worker is located in state B and the recipient is in state B. Place of supply is interstate supply. Principal is located in state A, job worker is located in state B, recipient is located in state B. तो इसको ना स्टेट A कर देते हैं, तब ठीक बनेगा. या इसको हाँ स्टेट A कर देते, तो इंटरस्टेट सप्लाई है नहीं है, तो ये फॉल्स हो जाएगा. ट्रू फॉल्स. Job worker making interstate supply of service, it shall get itself compulsorily registered. True or false? False. सही कह रहे हैं, ये इंट्रास्टेट सप्लाई है, लेकिन हमने यहां लिखा है इंटरस्टेट सप्लाई, तो फॉल्स हो गया ना. तो इसको रजिस्ट्रेशन तभी करवाना है if the aggregate turnover is greater than threshold limit. There is a contract between principal and job worker that expenses on material shall be incurred on job worker but is incurred by principal, then such expenses on material shall be part of labor charges. True. B is the answer. Where inputs or capital goods are not returned within time period, principal shall issue tax invoice treating it as supply from back date. If and when goods are returned afterward, job worker can issue invoice if registered and principal can claim ITC. प्रिंसिपल ITC का क्लेम नहीं करेगा, इसको तो हम हटाते हैं. और जॉब वर्कर कैन इशू इनवॉइस इफ रजिस्टर्ड टू द प्रिंसिपल, तो किसी थर्ड पार्टी के नाम पे इनवॉइस इशू नहीं करेगा, जब भी इशू करेगा प्रिंसिपल के नाम पे इशू करेगा. तो ये भी ट्रू है, बोथ. इसको हम ठीक करेंगे. आया